Marcellus family, it's your girl Martha, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing the snitch booger prank on my fiance. I'll be using aloe. Camera's already set up, so stay tuned.
We gotta move that coat fast, man. You done cutting it yet? Okay. ¿Te marco después, va? Va que va. Wait.
Sí.
You don't know me, Teresa. Where I was dead. Get out of the house now. Thank you. For us, Teresa, we start over. From Spain like we talked about.
Thanks for so much.
Right now. I saw your bed at the warehouse. How can I make this right? He didn't set you up. If that's what you're thinking. We followed him. In my experience, men are the weaker sex when it comes to matters of power.
What do you want?
For you to cooperate in our investigation of Camilla Vargas. Ms. Mendoza, I know you're a good person in a bad situation.
And you're going to save me?
See, only way out is with a bullet. It won't even be her that pulls the trigger. I'd wager you already got blood on your hands for her.
If I tell you anything, what happens to me? To Ella?
We'll put you in witness protection. The United States government will keep you safe and sound.
Like you didn't could have gone.
If we didn't have surveillance on the Fiance apartments, your boyfriend would have been blown to pieces. The fact is, the DEA doesn't have anything concrete on you. But my buddies over there would love to toss you back to Mexico. I wonder how long it would take a Fiance to find you. I'll give you 4 days.
Why your house so wet?
Understand this. Those people are not your friends. You can't afford any more enemies.
Why didn't you just tell me to get your tissue paper? What to? Nah, I'm gonna get sick too. I'm the only one that's working.
For 3 hours.
Can't even heat it.
You sprained the leak.
I'm a mechanic.
Dinner's ready.
You should have told me that since yesterday now.
It's not when we were yesterday, I already had a feeling to be.
Okay, you should have told me that yesterday.
What?
Well, why just because the booger you gonna get sick?
Thanks for that.
Cough and all that
I
stuff.
really appreciate you letting
Yeah,
me
just
know.
like coffee though.
It was the former associate that works for the Colombians now. He just contacted me to let me know
You
that
listen,
he
you about to die.
You should have go get me
He's about to flood the Texas market with product.
You gonna die?
Go get me.
Best timing.
Well,
What
if
the
you
hell
find
make
it
no
too colorful,
sense?
there's a tenant.
Oh, you don't die.
Moving the
It's just
product.
booger.
No, I'm trying to ask you why you did it like that. You don't realize that?
We cannot allow them to reach
Are you gonna
Texas.
die?
No, I'm saying, did you realize that?
His distributors
I was just trying to like hurry up for you, but give me.
Alright, go like
We just need
this.
to confirm if his tongue is active.
Or if it is, destroy it.
You
Take the rest of
funny
it to
kid.
the mother.
Go like this. Go get the thing from me.
Remember, even if I had put it in your face, what was the problem?
Now you just trying to be funny. Martha, you know what I'm saying is right.
No.
Martha, go get me some toilet paper, please. Hurry up.
I don't see the difference. I still wasn't touching.
Teresa,
You was not gonna put the booger on over my chest like that.
I thought I was
It's
doing
just-
stuff at work.
Martha, you didn't mean to do that.
We find that things were weak.
Booger, what's wrong with boogers?
Martha, you did not mean to do that. Stop acting like you meant to do that.
But I'm saying, what's wrong with
Because after I did this, you were like, oh yeah, you right. I could've did that.
what's wrong with booger?
Go now.
We've got a long drive ahead of us. We should get moving.
Mm-hmm.
Martha, stop acting like you did that on purpose.
Oh my God.
Start tomorrow.
Are you ready? The Zeta is still active. It'll be surrounded by Defender's man. You know he still wants to kill me. You escaped my husband's wrath since you fled Culiacan. I have no doubt you're
Ah.
I'm sorry I doubted you. Teresa, never forget that.
Just get older and fatter.
¿De qué estás hablando? You look as strong as ever.
Tell that to my wife. She took me off meat. I can't have salt. I can't have sugar. She cuts me off the cerveza. I'm not gonna have a reason to wake up.
I know about wives trying to take things away.
Go give me more than that, please.
Martha, stop
Go give me
playing.
more.
Hmm.
Go give me more.
What you doing?
Go give me more paper towel. I need more.
All this turmoil, open violence is like a lighthouse.
Martha, go to the bathroom. You put your hand all over my mouth.
Now you sound like my wife.
It's not even funny no
My
more.
people count on me to mitigate risks. How can I be sure my goods are safe in your hands?
Listen, Dr. Nando, forgive me, but I do believe you're underestimating the governor's power of imagination.
Martha, go.
Your product
Go, go,
has
go.
never been more
So get it for me.
You putting your book all over my mouth, Martha. You mutting it
How
up.
is that?
The
Come on,
governor
Martin,
has
now you doing that on
nothing
purpose
when
now.
it comes
Come
to
on.
security and
Hold
innovation.
on, please.
No, you go get it.
Amistad, te ofrezco esto.
I just gave you paper. Why you didn't keep it?
It's just a line.
So you still gotta get up. I put booger in
These
your mouth,
drugs
right? Go wash your mouth.
Offer the
Here's the
highest
paper.
level of security for an important business.
All right, so you
such
doing it
as
on
yourself.
purpose then?
In fact, they're being
You
employed
mutting,
for
Martha. I'm
protection
not
of
going back to the
government
bathroom.
parties
Go
this
get the
entire
paper
process.
yourself up there.
Shoots 15 photos per second, and we can control it from over 4 miles away.
It's fantastic. I am happy.
Is a prank.
Oh, I'm not happy. I'm angry. Thinking about how much money it's going to cost to hire a brilliant mind.
Try.
Cost to hire a brilliant mind.
Try.
Guys, his reaction wasn't really what I thought it would be. I thought he would have killed me for putting booger in his mouth. But he wasn't mad. He was mad, but he wasn't like crazy mad because I thought he would have killed me. Guessing is real love. It wasn't that serious. It's just booger to him. Because if he put booger in my mouth, I would have been mad. But hey, he wasn't that crazy mad. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And please comment Team Martha underrated, period.